Today, we need to talk about something that could save you from making a huge financial mistake. Bitcoin is not the golden ticket that some people claim. It's actually a ticking time bomb in your investment portfolio. If you're serious about building wealth, you need to understand why Bitcoin is not, I repeat, not a good long-term investment, and how keeping your money in crypto could put you at serious financial risk. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Bitcoin isn't the solution and what you should be doing instead. Let's dive in. Bitcoin's extreme volatility is a roller coaster ride you don't want. Bitcoin's price volatility remains a significant concern for long-term investors. In early 2024, Bitcoin's price surged to an all-time high, over $73,000 in March, driven by the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. However, this upward momentum was short-lived. By February 2025, Bitcoin had already declined approximately 15% from its peak, influenced by global economic factors such as the imposition of tariffs by the U.S. government, according to Reuters.com. This pattern of rapid ascents, followed by steep declines, underscores Bitcoin's inherent instability. Such unpredictability poses substantial risks for investors seeking consistent long-term growth. Unlike traditional assets that offer more predictable returns, Bitcoin's erratic price movements can lead to significant financial losses, making it a precarious choice. For those aiming to build a secure financial future, Bitcoin has no intrinsic value. It's just digital speculation. Unlike stocks, real estate, or businesses, Bitcoin doesn't generate income, cash flow, or dividends. It's only valuable if someone else is willing to pay more for it than you did. Think about this. If a company like Apple or Tesla loses stock value, they still have products, employees, and revenue. But if Bitcoin crashes, there's nothing behind it. No business, no earnings, just a digital code on the blockchain that people hope will go back up in price. If you're building long-term financial security, you need assets that actually produce wealth, not just something that relies on hype and speculation. Governments are coming for crypto. Regulation risks are real. Governments around the world don't trust Bitcoin, and for good reason. They can't control it. They can't regulate it, and it's been widely used for illegal transactions. Many countries, including China and India, have already banned or heavily restricted Bitcoin. The U.S. is increasing regulations, and when governments get involved, they can shut down the exchanges, tax profits aggressively, or even outlaw Bitcoin altogether. That's a huge risk if you're hoping to hold Bitcoin for the long term. Do you really want your investments depending on unpredictable government decisions? Bitcoin is a hacker's paradise, and you can't get your money back. Unlike your bank account, if your Bitcoin is stolen, it's gone forever. There are no fraud protections, no customer service hotlines, and no way to reverse transactions. Since 2011, hackers have stolen over 12 billion worth of crypto, and those victims never got their money back. Just last year, one of the largest crypto exchanges, FTX, collapsed, leaving investors with nothing. Imagine walking around to find out your entire investment disappeared overnight because of a hack or a fraud. That's the reality of investing in Bitcoin. By the way, Bitcoin is not an inflation hedge. That's a lie. Some people claim Bitcoin is like digital gold, a hedge against inflation. But here's the truth. When inflation spiked in 2022, did Bitcoin hold its value? Nope. It crashed. Meanwhile, gold, real estate, and stocks recovered. Bitcoin did the exact opposite of what an inflation hedge should do. The truth is, Bitcoin follows the stock market, but with even bigger losses. If you want to protect your money from inflation, Bitcoin is not the answer. Environmental impact, also, Bitcoin is destroying the planet. Bitcoin mining wastes massive amounts of energy, more than entire countries like Argentina or Sweden use in 1 year. While investors look for sustainable assets, Bitcoin's environmental footprint makes it a financial liability. Imagine investing in something that not only loses money, but also gets blacklisted for being harmful to the planet. If you want to build wealth responsibly, you should be looking at investments that create value without harming the environment. Listen, I get it. Bitcoin sounds exciting, but excitement doesn't build wealth. Smart decisions do. We've seen massive losses, scams, security risks, government crackdowns, and no real economic value behind Bitcoin. The writing is on the wall. This is not a safe place for your hard-earned money. So what should you do instead? Focus on diversified, proven investments, stocks, index funds, real estate, and building a solid financial foundation. That's how true wealth is built. That's all the time I have. Tune in next week and subscribe to this channel for more fun facts. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And remember to manage your money, or money will manage you.